having a really lovely day today as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day, and today we are doing my November favourites, which is insane. Don't get me wrong, I'm so excited for Christmas. Like, I am ready for Christmas festivities and I just cannot wait. But I'm not gonna lie to you, like, this year has just gone by like that. I don't know if it's just me, but it's literally flown by and I have no idea what's going on. So I thought today, let's go through my November favourites because I've liked quite a few things and I want to share them with you. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. I hope you enjoy. So my first two favourites are actually movies. The first one is The Runaways. Now, The Runaways is a film about the Runaways, the band. However, it's kind of like a recreation of their story. So you've got Kristen Stewart and Dakota Fanning, who I think played their roles extremely well. Like, I don't think anybody else could have played them. I think they've, like, especially Kristen Stewart, like, she's got Joan Jett's vibe, like, to a T. Honestly, it's amazing. Yeah, I love the film so much. It's on Amazon Prime. It was £3.49, but it was so worth it in my opinion because I love it. And yeah, I can't really give too much away because it kind of ruins the whole film, but it's definitely not like PG, so just watch with caution. But yeah, I loved it and I love it, and it's such a good movie. If you've seen it, let me know. Let me know your thoughts down below. But yeah, such a sick film. Love it, love it. My second movie favourite of the month was actually a film called Blended. Now, this film was on Netflix and I was kind of like umming and ahhing about watching it, and I watched it fairly recently and I'm not even joking, it is the best film I've seen in a long time. It's so good. It's got Adam Sandler and what is her name? Drew Barrymore, that was it. And I love those two actors on their own, but together they're just hilarious. It's kind of like Adam Sandler and Jennifer Aniston. I think their films are always like top notch. So honestly, the film Blended is so good. It's about a single mum and a single dad, and they've got children, and then they kind of go on like a blind date and they absolutely hate each other. And then I'm not going to ruin it from there because I feel like everything that happens in the film is just like a moment, but it's so good. So you definitely need to watch it. It's so good. Like, I cannot explain to you how good the film was. It was amazing. So now moving on to all of the physical favourites. I think I'm going to start with the lip combo or trio that I'm wearing at the moment and I've been loving all month. It's been my absolute go-to. So lip liner wise, I've mentioned this in probably every favourites video since I bought it. This is the Essence Stay 8 Hour lip liner in the shade Tea Time, which is 02. This cost me £1.80. like, it's a bargain, and also it's a screw one, so you don't ever have to resharpen it. I've used loads of this already and I'm really sad that I'm gonna have to go out and find another one. I'm hoping they still make it because I haven't bought this recently, so I hope they still make it. But yeah, really lovely colour. If I show you it on my hand, it's a beautiful kind of, I don't know, like a warm nudie brown. Like, it's really nice. I hope you can see that, but that's what it looks like and I love it. So that's the lip liner I am wearing. I'm currently wearing it now, so love that. I then have been topping that off with the Makeup Revolution Pro Supreme Matte Lip Pigment in the shade Illusion, which is this colour. I will put some on my hand again so you guys can see what it looks like. It looks like that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I don't want to put too much on my hand because I'll end up rubbing it in my sleeve, but that's what it looks like. Love that. It's a matte liquid lipstick. It is quite like matte, if you know what I mean, which is why I top it off with a lip gloss, and this is the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madeline or Madeline. I've mentioned this again in a few favourites videos, but this is a really beautiful colour, which looks like that. So obviously, as you can tell, it's a lot lighter, but I like that. I think it really lightens the centre of the lips really nice. But yeah, those are my favourites, and altogether, I don't know how much this was. It was probably like £4. This, I think, was like £4 to £5, so not an expensive trio in my opinion, and I've been obsessed. So 10 out of 10. My nude go-to lip at the moment. Love that. Another lipstick that I've been really loving this past month has been something which I've definitely featured on my channel before, and I've worn it in quite a few videos, and that is the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade Glastonbury, which is this one. Now, I've had this lipstick, I'm not even joking, for a really long time. I actually have two of them because I was given one for my birthday from my friend and I already had it, but I didn't care because it's such a staple go-to lipstick, especially for autumn winter. I love it so much, especially with dark hair. I think it looks really nice, and I bought this years ago when I was obsessed with Zoella, and she bought this and I was like, well, I need that, and it was like £20 or something ridiculous, but I bought it and I love it. The packaging, amazing. The colour, amazing. The actual lipstick, amazing. Definitely expensive, but Christmas is coming, so you can put it on your Christmas list. But yeah, I love it so much, and it's definitely a 10 out of 10. I would put it on my hand, but it's literally so dark it will stain. So yeah, it's a beautiful colour though. Very berry-like. Love that. So in my October favourites, I mentioned a candle, and that candle has sadly been used and has gone. So this month I've been using another candle, also from IKEA, and this is the peach one, which looks like this. Oh, it smells like peach squash and like peach, those Haribo rings you used to get like years ago. It's so good. The only thing about the IKEA candles that I don't like, and I think it's just because I haven't burnt it for long enough, but I think it happened to the last one, I'm not too sure, but it kind of tunnels, like it doesn't burn all of it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that out and put it in my wax burner. Smart, I know. The IKEA candles are really inexpensive. I think this was under £3, so an absolute bargain, and it burns for 40 hours, so really good and good value for money. It smells amazing and I love it. I don't have an IKEA super near me, it's at least like 40 minutes away or so, but I would definitely pick up some candles if you go there at any point anytime soon, because oh, I love it. I love it. My next favourite has been a shoe. Obviously the pair of shoes, not the single shoe. And that is my Doc Marten Serena boots. Now I said in my collection video that these are rank. Like, look at them. They're disgusting. The fur in the Serenas now are more of a fur, not a wool. These are wools. These are like the really old kind of design, and they look rank. Like, I don't want to like be gross, but they look disgusting. Like the inside is minging. But I've been wearing these absolute non-stop the past month to work and to walk my boyfriend's dog and stuff, because they keep my feet so warm, and it's been absolutely freezing recently, so I've been obsessed with these. And because they're gross already, I don't really care if like they get really muddy and stuff, because they're kind of like more of like a worky type shoe. Do you know what I mean? I don't know. I really like them though. They've been absolutely amazing in this cold weather, so a 10 out of 10. My shoe faves, love those. And my last favourite of the month has been my Animal Crossing game on the Switch. Now I stopped playing Animal Crossing for about 3 months because I did my island and I got a 5-star island, and then I was like, what do I do now? Like, I feel like Animal Crossing is very much like that. Like, let me know if you disagree or agree, but I feel like once you've done your island and like Tom Nook's not telling you to do stuff anymore, like, what is there to do? Do you know what I mean? But I decided, you know what, I'm going to go on it and I'm going to completely redo my island. So that is what I've been doing. I've been absolutely obsessed with it, and I'm getting there with my island. I'm still doing it. Like, it takes absolutely ages to like move everybody's houses and stuff, but we're getting there. So I've been obsessed with this, and I'm really glad I have, because otherwise my Switch would have been an absolute waste of money, because it's the only game that I have on there at the moment is Animal Crossing, so I love it. And mine is the Nintendo Switch Lite in the turquoise, which I love so much. I kind of wish I got the coral, but I feel like this is more me, so yeah, love it. So that is everything for my November favourites of 2020. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. How mad is it that this is going to be the last favourites of the year, because next month I'll do my 2020 favourites of the year, which is mental, like insane. So I hope you guys enjoyed the 11 favourites that I've done this year. Like, how mad is that? Crazy. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, because I would love to hit 10k. I'm going to be doing a massive 10k giveaway, which will include a lot of Lush, other bits and pieces that I love, and I just really want to do that soon. So make sure you subscribe and we can get that ball rolling. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you've loved this month, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye guys!